Make it stop. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. And once again, I'm pissed. Enough for this one.
Okay.
Seriously.
Okay, this one here.
Good morning, Philippines.
So, tapos na po. Kunin ko lang tong labahan. And, nakakaloka kasi, ngayon, pupunta ako sa sasakyan ni Tami. Kailangan ko lang hindi na ako mag-ano guys, kasi maglilinis lang naman tayo. Iwan ko kung asan yung wallet ni Tami. Naligo ako kahapon, so kaya hindi na ako naligo ngayong araw. So, kanina naghakot kami ng gamit sa sasakyan kasi ang daming ano sa sasakyan ko, di ba? So, every time na may laman yung sasakyan ko, yun, kinukuha namin. So, ngayon, ang gagawin ko is, ito yung car key ni Tami. Dalhin natin yan, hold on. I-open ko lang yung sasakyan niya para ilagay yung cushion. So, hopefully, ma-open natin. Ang hirap kasi i-open ito. At naglinis ako kaninang umaga. Guys, alam nyo naman yung may mga alaga tayo. Open natin ha. Ayun. Ito na. Na-open ha. Okay, ilagay ko kayo. Saan ko ba kayo ilagay? Ilagay sa galay nga nagbitay. Tay nga bitay nga naglagay. Sa harapan po ito ng bahay. Ito siyang mga blue. Isa pa. Sana madali yun si Tami mag-shower. Ay, ang tagal. Paminsan talaga, ang tagal yan mag-shower, guys. Tingnan mo, ang kalisod-lisod na nga. Vlog pa rin. Vlog is life. Vlog pa rin tayo. Yan, so ilagay natin ito sa front porch. Itong blue. So, let's go outside. Hold on. So, ito yung nabili namin. Yan. Gusto ni Tami yung black and white na stripes. Gusto niya yung stripe na ano. So, yun. Sige. So, labas sa likuran daw kasi mag-feed yung black masyado. Ito yung din nagustuhan namin. Gray sana yung kukunin ko. Pero si Tami ito. Mahal ito guys. 40 each. Yung yun is 30. May 20 doon. Pero yung material kasi. Ito maganda yung material kasi ano siya. Okay guys, nilagay na ni Tami. Oh my god, ang ginaw pa naman. It's cold out here. Oh my god. Here you go. It's bigger, right?
It's wider than a chair.
Yeah, that's fine. No, it will get dirty early. Quick. Looking because but it's a nice one. Oh my god, it's freezing out here. Oh my god, it's 27 degrees. 27. Oh my god, Roxy. Come in, Rox. You're gonna get sick, baby. Come. Tapos na si Taming nag-shower. So, ngayon, tapos na siya naligo. Mag-ano lang ako, guys, para hindi tayo luspad tignan yung parang hindi tayo busog ako. Para hindi tayo, ano ba, pale. Maputi, maputla. Plano ko mag-stop ako mamaya sa grocery store doon sa New Rochelle kasi gustong-gusto ko doon sa ShopRite. Gustong-gusto ko siya. So, kasi wala akong nakita na ano, creamer na malaking buti. Malaking creamer kasi kahapon sa tindahan, maliit na creamer yun. Honey, we have to keep going. Are you gonna eat? Okay, you wanna bring the tuna fish or... Huh? Okay. Do you have bread still here?
Yeah.
Okay. You want me to take it out? You can eat that. Han, it's already freaking 11:30. My God. We're like, we go over there and run back home. Run back here. That's crazy. You know what, honey? Yeah, you don't know how to wipe your ass.
I cook Spanish rice.
But how wipe your ass? Guys, he will be embarrassed, guys. Now you know.
Yeah, sure. Okay.
Na-embarrassed. Hindi, guys. A joke lang yan, guys.
Pisses her off. She can make a song. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. And once again, I'm pissed. Always pissed. I'm pissed. I'm pissed. I'm pissed.
Guys, who doesn't get pissed? You buy a cushion. Okay, you buy a cushion, a new one. Replace the old one dirty and ugly. And I said throw it out. He get mad.
But a couple of them were in good shape, so.
The one that I just threw out, it's not in a good shape, Tommy.
Both of them?
Yes.
3 of them?
Yes, Hancho. The other one over there is a good one.
But there was 4.
So, gusto niyang i-keep ang mga pangit at saka sira-sira ng mga cushion. Naglagot ko, guys. Naglagot yun ako.
That's right, guys. The Galaguk is right.
What?
She's a Galaguk. Galaguk. Her tongue is constantly glaguking.
Glaguking my ass.
She's a tongue glaguk.
And he takes forever, guys. He should be the faster and quicker, but there's no...
Wait. You make a phone call, then you hand me the phone. You say, oh, I gotta go to bed. Here, take the phone. And then you stick me on the phone with somebody who doesn't get off the phone.
No, you know what, honey? The
The
first thing she said, oh, you're not Tommy. Maybe because she expect for you...
Because from the home phone number, it said Tom when it called, not Maryann, because you didn't call from your cell phone.
Hey, listen. Did you give them dry food?
Yep.
How about the dog?
I didn't give it.
Pasensya na talaga, guys. I'm sorry. This is our thing. Without even camera, guys, we are so noisy. What am I gonna do? Hide our reality? We like very noisy. We are not the quiet couple. We are the noisy couple. Okay, guys, let's go. My goodness. Kaloka, it's 12 something na. Instead of leaving here early 11 or 10. You know, because the drive... Nagdala din ako ng mga bag frozen para sa pagkain nandun sa likuran. Para sa freezer doon sa isang bahay, kailangan siyang i-ano, guys, dalhin dito para ma-unplug na dahan-dahan yung freezer doon. What? Brush your hair?
Yeah.
Kanina pa yan, hindi makabrush sa buhok. We're here. And nasumakit yung tiyan ko. My stomach is in pain because of my husband. Sumakit yung tiyan ko, guys. And you have to throw expired garbage. Where's the garbage bag here? Hi. Oh, shit. Oh God, I have a diarrhea, eh? What's wrong with me? There's something wrong. Tignan nyo. I'm doing it, but look. Kaloka talaga tong asawa. Takot man yan. So, he's doing that. If it's expired, don't bring it, Tommy, okay?
No,
Look at it. Is this unplugged? Ibigay ko to sa kapatid ko, pero linisin ko muna to, guys. As in, guys, this is not very old. This is not really old, right, Han? It's like need cleaning, toaster, and oven. Maglinis lang kami dito, guys, ha? Hindi ko na kayo yan, kasi mag time-lapse pa. So, Han, do you want to bring this last? Han?
Yeah.
Just in case you want a toasting bread?
Yeah.
Okay, then I just leave it there. I will clean the rest. What is that?
It's a translator.
Huh?
It's a translator.
Show me the
You put the tape in here.
It's like a radio.
Does it have a power cord? Oh no, it's a battery.
Battery.
One of the batteries in it probably rotted.
Okay, call me if it's work, okay? Guys, hindi pa pala namin ito dalhin kasi sometimes Tommy andito siya and then kailangan niya mag-ano. So yan. Tapon lang ng basura. Ang dami ng basura na nakolekta ko. Meron pa ditong mga, how do you call this? They're not crystals. Oh, this one butter and shit. We don't use this. Seriously, hon. No, we don't use that. This one I want keep. Okay, put that there. You wrap. No, do the big one. That's why I do the big one. Huh? Big one.
No, enough double wrap. Hon, you don't give enough wrap for it.
That's fine. That's not gonna break.
Okay. Too smoky chipped.
Okay. Okay, that's more one.
Not even enough for that small one.
Seriously?
It's gotta be for this tiny one. You got like no clue. Here, it's half wrapped because you thought it was good enough. Half wrapped because you're not cutting enough, see? I'm cool. See how good you are and then you're doing it wrong.
I told him to sit down over there and drink his coffee. He want to come here because, you know, just in case, yeah, Maryann will throw everything out.
Yes, she will. Yes, she will. It's not enough for this one.
Okay.
Seriously.
Okay, this one here. Okay. Or the big one.
There's nothing.
Hello, we need to buy more of bubble wrap.
Yes.
Well, there's no more to wrap anyway.
Yeah, there is.
This is the, no, this is the final thing. And we're not keeping this, Han. Honestly, Han. Like, guys, alam nyo ba how many glasses we have? 500 plus. What are we gonna do with our mouth? Gamitin namin yun sa puwet, sa bisong, sa baba, sa ilong, sa mata, sa lunggan. We're done. Oh, I like playing with hands. Yung kapatid ni Tommy said gonna be here. Wala pa. Darling, you can love one, you can love two. Is a berito. To. Let's go. Stop with the phone. Whole day, whole night. You're in the phone. Let's go. Help me with the wine. Love that we can go. Palagi na lang sa cellphone. Wala nang ginagawa kundi cellphone. Ito guys, itatapon na lang namin to dito.
You guys drinking that old liquor.
It's over there. So what is that? Oh my god, this is the tallest barrel I see. Alis na kami guys. Almost 6 o'clock na. My sister-in-law is very busy. Puno na naman yung sasakyan. Let's go. Alis na kami guys. Naghintay na lang yung kapatid ni Tommy. Kasi nasa likuran siya namin. And din si Tommy ang tagal din. Kita-kits na lang tayo sa bahay. Mag-drive lang ako. Ang ginaw, grabe. Hello guys. Malapit na kami. And actually, hindi pa kami malapit. We're just stopping by to get some order. Tommy called Chinese restaurant. What did you order?
Beef and broccoli, pork fried rice, shrimp lo mein, and dragon phoenix.
Okay. Nandito lang yung Chinese sa my area kung saan kami nag grocery. Dito lang. You call the right Chinese?
Yep. Sure they are.
And I miss the Japanese ano one, like the cooking in front of you.
Yeah, well.
Hibachi, right?
Yeah. Got all little marks from your suction cup.
I will stay here too, like other people does.
Okay. Here's your camera.
Busy yung ano, Chinese dito. Busy silang, daming nag-order. Naglinya yung mga tao. Naghintay. Hopefully yung sa amin ready na kasi ano, kanina pa kami tumawag. Gutom na ako, guys. Tinignan ni Tami yung camera namin. Iyak nang iyak yung si Misty. Grabe. Sobra. Iyak nang iyak siya. Walang kaluka talaga. Ganyan yan siya, guys. Iyak nang iyak. At saka also, pagdating mo doon, talagang may luha yung mata. Kaya nalalaman ko yung bark-bark niya. Iyak, nag-iyak-iyak siya. So, nakuha na, ready na pala yung pagkain kasi ando na. Oh my God, why is it a lot? Is that the right order?
Yeah, she read it to me, so yeah.
Oh my God, it's a line, Han.
Yeah.
People are ordering Chinese. What's out? Oh, no, hi, Robo. Kitty. Oh, look. Roxy, come. Right here. Hala, there is food in there, right? Meow. Hi, monkey. Hi, monkey. Na-love ni mama. Naiyak-iyak manaway. I love you. I love you. I love you. I wish Dada wish me. I love you so much. Oh, baby.
I know.
Dada, you're kidding. Your tongue is out. Aguri. Oh, aguri. Aray, baby.
Alright, crazy kids.
I know. Roxy, why you do that? That hurts. Huh? I don't know. Why you do that? Huh? Why you do that? Happy? Happy to si Mama? Yung hindi ka happy to si Mama? Goodness. So, usually, ang order ko sa Chinese is yung chicken broccoli. So, ngayon naman, beef broccoli. So, yun, para naman mag-iba. You didn't din? You a good girl? You did it, you didn't din? You're a baby, Mama. You wait. You wait. So, guys, we're opening... What is your fortune?
You're never too old to dream. Dreams bring hope.
Okay, so keep dreaming, Han. Never too old to dream. When you are comfortable, you can do anything.
You are the flexible person in your present situation. Get it?
You are not flexible, honey.
Mm-hmm.
Seriously, that's wrong.
It's not wrong.
You know what, honey? You are bad to me tonight. You cannot clang me.
How was I bad?
You cannot clang me. Nako. It's time to sit down and relax. Tapos na kaming kumain. Tammy liked that place to order Chinese. And Tammy ordered the shoes finally. Kasi yung shoes niya is sira na. So, I want you to try it now.
It's because of milk.
It's new, that's what happened. I mean, when you go out. Is it so tight for you?
No, it's not so tight.
No, that one is all
Worn out.
worn out. That's why it feels weird. That's why that one, because you used to with that one, everything is like, it's, you know what I mean. So anyway, guys, I'm gonna end the vlog. Let's end the vlog na kasi pahinga na tayo. Ano na, it's 8:30. Pahinga lang ako kasi linis lang tayo dito sa counter. Fortune cookie, ganun. Hala. Kaluka ito. dito. Meron tayong sayings dito. Sanitizer talaga yung ano ko palagi dito kasi palagi si Tami magtungtong dito ng mga galing sa labas. So, sanitizer palagi. Anyway, so I will see you guys tomorrow. Please don't forget to like and subscribe. And thank you so much, guys. Say good night, honey.
Hi, guys. Talk to you tomorrow.
Yep, look, he talked to you tomorrow. Bye, guys. Bye.